Hey there and welcome back. If you're new here, welcome to Binti Baker and my name's S. Today we'll be making coconut bread. For the ingredients, we'll need 360 grams of flour, 330 grams of margarine, 100 grams of sugar, 5 eggs, a quarter cup of coconut oil, 1 teaspoon of coconut essence, 50 grams of shredded coconut, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1 tablespoon of milk cream. In a clean bowl, measure your margarine and your sugar. Whisk them together until light and fluffy. This is called the creaming method. The color of the mixture changes to a lighter yellow shade. The creaming method produces a lighter and fluffier cake because it incorporates air into your cake dough. Once your sugar and margarine are well combined, add in your eggs and mix well. Sieve your flour and pour it into your bowl and mix well on low speed. At this point, preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius, and as you do so, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I set my timer for 50 minutes because I wanted the oven to preheat for 10 minutes and the coconut bread to bake for 40 minutes. Once you've preheated your oven, add the cream and stir well. Add in your coconut oil and the shredded coconut. Mix well and pour the batter into your bread tin. Bake the coconut bread for 40 minutes or until the bread starts turning golden brown. However, if you're not sure as to whether your cake is ready and dry on the inside, you can always insert a toothpick or a small knife in the middle of your cake. If your knife comes out clean or if your toothpick comes out clean, then your cake is dry and ready to be removed from the oven. Carefully remove your cake from the oven and leave it to cool for about 10 minutes before removing it from the tin. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you really enjoyed the video. Do try out this recipe and tag me on my Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Bye for now.